Sentence patterns. Sakura wa kirei desu. Cherry blossoms are beautiful. Fuji-san wa takai desu. Mount Fuji is high. Sakura wa kirei na hana desu. Cherry blossoms are beautiful flowers. Fuji-san wa takai yama desu. Mount Fuji is a high mountain. Osaka wa nigiyaka desu ka? Is Osaka lively? Yes, it is. Hai, so desu. Biwa no mizu wa kirei desu ka? Is the water of Lake Biwa clean? No, it is not so clean. Ie, amare kirei de wa aremasen. Ima Peking wa samui desu ka? Is it cold in Beijing now? Yes, it is very cold. Hai, totemo samui desu. Is it cold in Shanghai too? Shanghai mo samui desu ka? No, it is not so cold. Ie, amare samukonai desu. Sono jeshu wa ii desu ka? Is that dictionary good? No, it is not so good. Ie, amare yokonai desu. Tokyo no shikatetsu wa dou desu ka? How do you like the subway in Tokyo? It is clean and it is convenient. Kirei desu. Soshite benri desu. Keno eiga o mimashita. I saw a movie yesterday. What kind of movie was it? Donna eiga deshita ka? It was The Seven Samurai. It is old but a very interesting movie. Shichine no Samurai deshita. 古いですが、とても面白い映画です。Mira-san no kasa wa dore desu ka? Which is Mr. Miller's umbrella? That blue one is. Ano aoi no desu. It's almost time to leave. Have you get accustomed to living in Japan, Maria? Maria, 日本の生活になりましたか? Yes, I have. I enjoy it every day. はい、なりました。毎日楽しんでいます。Really? Mr. Santos, how is your work? 本当ですか? Santos さん、仕事はどうですか? Well, it's busy but interesting. そうですね。忙しいですが、面白いです。Would you like another cup of coffee? もう一杯いかがですか? No, thank you. いえ、結構です。Oh, it's 8 o'clock now. We must be going. もう8時ですね。そろそろ出社します。You must? 本当ですか? Thank you for everything today. 今日はありがとうございました。Our pleasure. Please come again. どういたしまして。また来てください。白 white 白い。黒 black 黒い。赤 red 赤い。青 blue 青い。緑 green 紫 purple 黄色 yellow 黄色い。茶色 brown 茶色い。ピンク pink オレンジ orange ゴリ gray ベージュ beige taste Amay, sweet. Karay, hot. Negay, bitter. Shiokaray, salty. Supay, sour. Koy, thick, strong. Usoy, thin, weak. Taste sweet, hot, bitter, salty, sour, thick, strong, thin, weak. Seasons: Haru, spring. Natsu, summer. Ake, autumn. Fuyu, winter. Explanation: There are four seasons in Japan: spring, March, April, May. Haru. Summer, June, July, August. Natsu. Autumn, September, October, November. Aki. Winter, December, January, February. Fuyu. The average temperature varies from place to place, but the change patterns are almost the same. The hottest month is August and the coldest month is January or February. Japanese people feel that summer is hot, Natsu wa atsui. Autumn is cool, Aki wa suzushi. Winter is cold, Fuyu wa samoi. Spring is warm, Haru wa atatakai. Graph explanation. The graph shows temperature patterns for different locations in Japan. Naha, Okinawa, generally warmer throughout the year. Tokyo, moderate temperature changes with distinct seasons. Abashiri, Hokkaido, colder especially in winter. Spring, summer, autumn, winter. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Matane!